right, hey, what's going on, fellow travelers? We're here on board the MSC Meraviglia cruise ship, just outside the 4D theater in there. Looks like you throw the 3D glasses on, they got a little first-person shooter action in there. Maybe it's different, 3 different shows is what it looks like it might be to me. Jostles you around in the seats. I think we'll just bring you on board, try to film what we can. If they don't allow us to film in there a whole lot, we'll just recap it for you when we get outside, but we'll see you when we get in the theater.
Which movie?
What's that?
Which movie?
You want to do zombies or Carnival? We'll do Carnival.
Okay. Can you use the discharge? These shoes or these shoes, okay? Without the belts.
Those 2 are the far 2?
Yes, the discharge without the belts.
All right. We're doing the Carnival 4D. I think he said these 2 here, right, Becky? These 2? Yeah, let's just sit right here. I'll have you right there. And we'll see what it looks like. Boy, I don't know. Yeah, there's a seat though. Okay. Guns? You got a gun? Do we need a gun? Oh, here we go, Becky. Buckle in.
I am.
You're geared up.
Need the gun?
Step right up, don't be shy. We got prizes, we got surprises. Take your best shot, I dare you to try.
Shoot, Becky.
Look it for me.
Hey, we're moving.
Now, fight. Come and have a little fun.
actually been doing some shooting, so.
Nice.
All right. We'll see when we get outside. There's a line, so I think we got some things to say, so we'll see you in just a second. All right, just coming out of the 4D theater here on the MSC Meraviglia. We went on the Carnival selection. That was ride number 1. We like theme parks, so that was a really good one for us to check out. The bumper cars, the clowns. I thought it was great. What'd you think?
Yeah, definitely fun. I had some good skiers, good jumps there. Yeah, definitely fun.
Great time. If you enjoyed it and enjoyed the video, leave us a like or a comment. We'll be happy to answer all the comments in the comment section. If you're new and watch a few videos, please consider becoming a subscriber. It helps the channel a great deal. And we'll see you all very soon on the next adventure. Bye, everybody.